Yes, students. In the last lecture, we have completed chapter 3, especially students, the long sums of chapter 3. Now, students, today we are going to start chapter 1, index numbers. Now, students, this is very interesting, very easy chapter, and as such, the last formal chapter of part 1. Students, part 1 on an average has a weightage of 46 marks, 46 to 48 marks. So, only 4 chapters and almost 50% weightage goes to this chapters. Now, students, what is index number? And this chapter is, you can say, theoretical also, students, so one has to be very attentive. But trust me, students, this is one of the most easiest chapters. This is, students, one of the most easiest chapters. Now, students, you know certain variable quantities always varies with time. Say production, agricultural production as well as industrial production, import, export, then you can say birth rate, death rate, etc. So certain quantity, students, always varies with respect to time. So last 3 months was the lockdown period, so definitely exports will be less. Consequently, imports will be also, you can say, less. There would be decrease in industrial production, though agricultural production was not much hampered, but still it would have been less. So students, in day-to-day life, in the current economic scenario, there are certain quantities which always changes with respect to time. And such quantities are called, students, variable quantities. So quantities with respect to time in terms of change are called variable quantities. So the first thing, students, you should know what is a variable quantity. A quantity which always changes with respect to time. Students, you would have noticed these days, since last 10 days, there is a constant rise in the price of petrol and diesel. So these are variable quantities which changes with respect to time. So after studying the variable quantity, so if I write or if I tell what is the definition of a variable quantity, students, a quantity which changes with respect to time, students, is called a variable quantity. Now, students, there are basic 2 methods to measure the change in a variable quantity. So, methods to study change in variable quantity. First method of absolute measure, and second method of relative measure. So this is one of the most important VSQs. So just now we discussed, students, what is variable quantity. Now, how many methods are there to measure change in a variable quantity? The answer is 2 methods. First is method of absolute difference, and second is method of absolute measure, and second is method of relative measure. Now, students, what is the method of absolute measure? Let us understand the definition and these 2 methods, students, with the help of an example for index number. Now, say, students, we have a variable quantity which is price of petrol. price in the year 2016 and in the year 2017. Let us say that these are the 2 years, and my variable quantity is price in rupees of petrol. Say in 2016 the price of petrol was 60 rupees, and in 2017 the price is 70 rupees. So students, we are considering price of petrol. In 2016 the price was say 60 rupees, and in 2017 the price is 70 rupees. So what is the absolute difference? ₹70 minus 60 rupees, and that is 10 rupees. Correct. Now, what is the relative difference? Students, what is relative difference? Then it is 70 divided by 60. So it is 1.7 as cancelled 0 and 0. 1.1 something. So students, whenever we study the change in the values of variable quantity, we can study by 2 different methods. The first method is method of absolute measure, and the second is method of relative measure. So absolute measure or difference is 70 minus 60, 10 rupees, and relative means always ratio. So I have taken the ratio of 2017's price to 2016 price, and that ratio is 1 point something, 1.1 something in general. So students, coming back to the theories, all of you please try to understand very perfectly. What is variable quantity? Then I can say quantity which varies with respect to time is called variable quantity. How many methods are there to measure change in the variable quantity? 2. Method of absolute measure and method of relative measure. Now in method of absolute measure, we just operate the difference of higher year price minus lower year price. So 2017 price minus 2016 price, which gives me 10 rupees. And in relative difference or method of relative measure, we take the higher year price to the lower year price in terms of ratio, that is 1.1 something. Clear students? Now I am defining index number. Students, now I am defining index number. Now, before defining index number, I am defining one more term, and that is price relative. I am focusing on price, so I am telling this as price relative. Now, all of you pay attention. Say, whenever we are given the values of variable quantity, you will be always with respect to time period, because variable quantity are always measured with respect to time. Now, the higher year value we generally denote as P1, and the lower year value we denote as P0. Say 2017 and 2016, the higher year value is 2017 and the lower year value is 2016. So whenever we are comparing, it will be a comparison with always a year of past. We can never compare with future, because future values we don't know. So the lower year value or lower year price is denoted by P0, and current year's price or higher year price is denoted by P1. I can compare 17 with 16. I can never compare 17 with 18, because comparison is always with the value which is of past year. So students, what is price relative? The ratio of price P1 to P0, where P1 is the price of higher year and P0 is the price of lower year, means the previous year, is called price relative. The ratio of current year's price to the price of year which is used in comparison, which is called P0, students, is a price relative. Say suppose 17 and 15, then 17's price will be P1, and I am comparing 17's price with 15's price, so that will be P0. So always comparison of a current year or a greater year is done with the year of past. So students, before defining index number, I am defining price relative. The ratio of price P1 to P0, where P1 is the price of higher year and P0 is the price of previous year, is called price relative. So here I can say 70 by 60, this ratio, which is 1.1 something, is called price relative. So I suppose this is clear. Now students, what is index number? What is index number? The percentage change in the values of a variable quantity associated with any item for a given period of time compared to its value in a fixed period of time is called an index number. Students, this is bit odd to understand. Percentage change. Students, whenever I say percentage change, the ratio is multiplied by 100. The percentage change in the value of variable quantity associated with an item for a given period of time compared to its value in the fixed period of time is called, students, an index number. Now pay attention. My current year's period is 2017, and in 2017 price of 1 liter of petrol was 70 rupees. I am comparing it with the fixed period, which is 2016. So 70 by 60 into 100, whatever answer is, students, that is called index number. The percentage relative change in the value of variable quantity associated with an item for a given period of time compared to its value in a fixed period of time is called an index number. Now break up this definition into three segments. First, percentage relative change means it is multiplied by 100. In the value of variable quantity associated with an item for a given period of time, our variable quantity is price of petrol associated with an item is petrol. So percentage relative change in the value of variable quantity associated with an item for a given period of time, given period is 2007, compared to its value in a fixed period of time. My fixed period is 2016, and in that the value was 60. So 70 upon 60 into 100, whatever this answer is, it is 110 something or 11 something, whatever that answer is, that is called index number. So in index number, we compare a current year's value with a past year's value and take ratio of current year's value to past year value multiplied by 100. Whenever students the ratio is multiplied by 100, we express it in terms of percentage. And that P1 upon P0 into 100, whatever answer is, students, that answer is called an index number. I hope this is clear. Once again, the last one, the percentage relative change. So that means multiplied by 100. The percentage relative change in the value of variable quantity associated with an item for a given period of time means P1 compared to its value for a fixed period of time means P0. So in fact the ratio P1 upon P0 multiplied by 100 gives us index number, where P1 is the current year's value, one suffix denotes current year's value, and P0 students is the base year's value. So this gives us students what is called index number, and index numbers are usually denoted by I. So students, in this lecture I am only trying to summarize all the basic theories. So once again students, try to understand whatever theories we have discussed up till this instant. What is variable quantity? A quantity which always varies with respect to time. Students, such quantities are called variable quantities. For example, import, export, industrial production, agricultural production, income, expenditure, etc., etc. How many methods are there to measure or study the change in the value of variable quantity? There are two methods: method of absolute measure and method of relative measure. In absolute measure, we simply subtract current year's value minus the previous value. So we are considering the price of petrol is 16 and 17. 17 is current year and 16 is our previous year. So 17 minus 16, this is 10 rupees. And in method of relative measure, we take the ratio of higher year to the value of, means to the value of variable quantity in the lower year. So higher year value we generally denote by suffix 1, so P1, and lower year value we denote by suffix 0, so P0. Here it was price, so I took P1 on P0. Now students, what is price relative? The ratio of price in the higher year compared to the, means the ratio of price in the higher year to the price in the lower year is called, students, price relative. So if 2020 and 2017 are given, then 20 is the higher year and 17 is the lower. 2008 and 2012 are given, then 2012 is the higher year and 2008 is the lower year. So what is the definition of price relative? The ratio of price in the higher year to the price in the lower year is called price relative. Higher year price is denoted by P1, lower year price is denoted by P0. So the ratio P1 upon P0 is called price relative. Now students, understand the definition of index number. The percentage relative change is multiplied by 100. This is the general formula of index number. All of you remember, I is equal to P1 upon P0 into 100. So whenever students I say percentage relative change, means it is multiplied by 100. Percentage relative change in the value of variable quantity associated with an item. So our variable quantity, suppose we say price. For current year, the percentage relative change in the value of variable quantity associated with an item for given period, for a current, which is P, compared to its value in a fixed period. So I am comparing price of 17 to the price of 16. So given period is 17 and I am comparing the price with a fixed period which is 60. So percentage relative change means multiplied by 100 associated with the variable quantity, or percentage relative change in the value of variable quantity associated with an item for a given period of time compared to its value in a fixed period of time is called an index number. So given period is always written in the numerator. The fixed period with respect to which we are comparing, that is always written in the denominator. And whenever I multiply by 100, it gives us percentage relative change. So students, this is the definition of index number. Now students, characteristics of an index number. Now here 70 rupees upon 60 rupees, rupees and rupees gets cancelled. So index number, students, is a unit-free relative measure. And whenever I say relative, it is ratio, and all of you know students, ratio does not have any unit. So index number is a unit-free measure. The changes in the values of variable quantity having different units can also be compared with the help of index number. Hence, it is a comparative measure also. Say one distance is given in kilometer and another distance is given in meter. Now I have two options, either convert kilometer to meter or convert meter to kilometer and take the ratio. So index number is a unitary measure as it is relative measure, first property or characteristic. Second, the changes in the values of variable quantity which are expressed in different measures can also be studied with the help of index number. Now index number is a relative measure showing percentage changes. Why percentage changes? Because whenever I multiply the ratio by 100 students, we are having percentage changes. Now index number is the special average because it possesses all the basic characteristics of an average. Students, index number is a special average because it possesses all the characteristics of an average. Situations prevailing at two different time periods can be easily compared, students, with the help of index number. Because current year's value we are comparing with the fixed period value or fixed period value, which is, you can say, a year of past. So students, 5 characteristics. Index number is a relative measure, hence unit free. The changes in the values of variable quantity having different units can also be compared. Index number is a relative measure showing percentage changes. Index number is a special average because it possesses all specific characteristics of an average. And fifth, the situations prevailing at two different time periods can easily be compared with the help of index numbers. Students, index numbers are economic barometers. With the help of index numbers, students, we can study the strength of an economy. Lower the index number, sounder the economy is. Higher the index number, you can say Detroiting economy is there. Higher the index number, strength of economy is weak. Lower the index number, strength of economy is fair or high. So economic indicators are index numbers, and the most important is WPI, wholesale price index. So there are different types of index numbers studied. Index numbers are economic barometers. They show the current situation or they show the real picture of recession or boom in the economy. Higher the index number, Detroiting economy. Lower index numbers, sound economy. There are different types of index numbers like index number for trade, WPI, wholesale price index number, is cost of living index number. This is very important. We have a special topic, students. At that time we discussed an index number for import export, index number for national income, index number for agricultural production, index number for industrial production. We have, students, different types of index numbers. Index number for import export, index number for employment, index number for capital investment, index number for waste and raw material. So different types of index numbers are there, students. We did not remember all. But what I am telling, index numbers are economic barometers. Different types of index numbers indirectly show us the strength of an economy. Higher the index number, lower, or you can say Detroiting economy is. So we have studied variable quantity, we have studied methods to study change in the variable quantity. There are two methods, method of absolute measure and method of relative measure. Then students, we define what is an index number and characteristics of index number. Then I told you there are some 10-11 types of different index number. Our next definition, students, Bezier. This is very important in this chapter. Students, our next definition is Bezier. What do you mean by base year? All of you pay attention. Say in 2017 and 16, the lower year will be this base year. A fixed year of past with respect to which the current year's value is compared, students. That year is called a base year. Suppose 2008 and 2013. Now 2008 is a year of past and 2013 is current. Out of given two time periods, the lower value will be always base year. So a fixed year of past with respect to which the current year's value is compared is called a base year. And as a reference, as a general criteria, index number of base year is always supposed as 100. So what is the index number, students, of a base year? The index number of base year for a reference is always taken as 100. So define base year. A fixed year of past with respect to which the current year's value is compared is called a base year, and the index number of base year is supposed as 100. Now what are the criteria for base year, students? Next is criteria for base year. Criteria for base year. What are the conditions? What are the criteria to select a base year? A base year must be normal year, free from natural calamities, man-made calamities, political instability, free from economic recession, free from economic boom, etc. etc. A base year must be a normal year with no natural calamities, no man-made calamities, no political instability, no economic recession, and no economic boom. Such an year should be a base year. Now, you cannot expect a year without all of these criteria. So it is an ideal characteristics. A base year must be normal year, free from natural calamities, man-made calamities, political instability, economic recession, and boom. This is an ideal case, students. In a year, out of this, we will have minimum 1 or 2. But this is the condition, or this is the criteria to select a base year. And there are two ways in which a base year can be selected, students. The first is fixed base method. Fixed base method. And the other is chain base method. How many methods, students, are there to select a base year? Then we have two methods. First is fixed base method, and the second is chain base method. In fixed base method, always the base year remains fixed. Suppose I am finding index number from 2011 to 2018, and I take 2010 as base year. So every time the value of 2010 will be P0, and every time the current year's value will be taken as P1. And chain based method, suppose I am finding index number from 11 to 18. Now for 12, 11 will be the base year. For 13, automatically 12 will be the base year. In chain based method, by default, previous year value becomes base year's value, or the previous year to the current always becomes base year. So students, base year is very, very important. Once again, I am summarizing only base year. What is the base year? A fixed year of past with respect to which the current year's value is compared is called a base year. Suppose 18 and 15, then 15 is base year with respect to which I am comparing 18's value. So a fixed year of past with respect to which the current year's value is compared, students, is called a base year. And as a general criteria, index number of base year is considered as 100. What is the criteria to select a year as a base year? A base year should be a normal year free from natural and man-made calamities, free from political instability, and free from economic recession and boom. This is an ideal case. How many ways we can select a base here? Two methods. First is fixed base method and second is chain base method. I told you, if base here always remains fixed, same, then such a method is called fixed base method. And in chain base method, we don't have to select a base here. By default, previous year's value becomes base year. Suppose I am finding index number for 80, then 17 becomes base year. I am finding index number for 2015, then 2014 becomes base year. So this is very important. Students, do not neglect the theories of chapter 1. Once again, I am discussing all the theories in nutshell. All of you pay attention. First, what is a variable quantity? A quantity which changes with respect to time is called a variable quantity. For example, import, export, agricultural production, birth rate, death rate. All these are variable quantities. How many methods are there, students, to measure the change in the values of variable quantity? Two. Method of absolute measure, method of relative measure. In absolute, we just subtract higher real value minus lower real value. And in relative measure, we take the higher real value and lower real value and take the ratio which is P1 upon P0. What is price relative? The ratio of current year's price to the base year's price. The ratio P1 upon P0 is called price relative. Suffix 1 indicates higher year value, suffix 0 indicates lower year value. Then what is index number? The percentage relative changes in the value of variable quantity associated with an item for a given period compared to its value in the fixed period. Given year or given period is P1, its value in the fixed period is P0, is called an index number. The percentage relative change in the value of variable quantity associated with an item for a given period compared to its value in the fixed period is called an index number. So the simple formula for index number is price relative P1 upon P0 multiplied by 100. Then students, the next criteria or the next thing what we studied was, you can say, base year. What is base year? A fixed year of past with respect to which the current year's value are compared is called a base year. Always the index number of a base year is to be supposed as 100. What are the criteria of selecting a base year? A base year should be a normal year free from natural and man-made calamities, political instability, and you can say